Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you're signed into the Google account that currently manages payments. This ensures you can view and change billing details. Once done, gather the new account credentials, billing address, and an active payment method so you can add them without interruption. Make sure two-step verification is available on both accounts to authorize changes. You do this first because Google links purchases and subscriptions to an account. Preparing prevents blocked changes and accidental charge disruptions. Next, go to Payments. Google.com and open payment methods. Add the new card or bank account so Google can process future charges. Once added, set it as your default payment method for purchases and Google services. This changes where recurring fees charge. Also, check subscriptions and services to update the billing account tied to each subscription, because changing the card doesn't automatically move subscriptions between Google accounts. By doing this, you avoid mid-cycle billing surprises and ensure new charges. Finally, transfer access. For subscriptions, you may need to change the billing account inside each service or cancel and resubscribe with the new Google account to guarantee ownership. Update Google Play and YouTube purchases, plus Family Library or Family Payment Method if used. Make sure to remove the old payment method if you no longer want charges there. If something goes wrong, clear browser cache, sign out and back in, and retry. If issues persist, contact Google support with transaction ID for expedited help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.